Hey folks, how is it going? It's nice to see you again on my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to continue making money on binary options and I will show you how to do it. So, do watch this video up to the end. In the description below this video, you will find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions you have. Besides, you will find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. Send me a direct message in my private Telegram channel and get my personal link for PocketOption registration, which will give you a 50% bonus on your deposit for free. Now let's go to PocketOption and let's get going. We go to the price chart and before starting trading, we select the currency pair with a 92% payout. Of the three pairs marked, I will choose the Euro-British Pound currency pair. The next step will be to choose a time frame. And one suits me for a scalping strategy. Now, let's add indicators to the screen. We add the Donchian channel, which allows us to determine the trend, and the Williams percent range, which is a signal. We do not change the Williams percent range settings, but we will make changes to the Donchian channel settings and increase the number of periods for analysis from 20 to 50. This will allow you to get a signal about strong trends. Now, you can watch the price movement and look for an entry point to the trade. I remind you, the expiration today is 1 minute and the trading amount is $300. As you can see, the uptrend that lasted 45 minutes has stopped and now a correction is taking place. And if so, then I open a downtrade. As you have already understood, I made my decision based on the movement of the price on the chart. But this is only partially. I also took into account the data of the Williams percent range indicator, the movement of its line, which continued to decline steadily, which for me was a signal of a possible decline in price. And since two independent sources suggest a possible price decline, then you can open a trade safely. Trading on a 1 minute chart can be called one of the most dynamic, and we have to devote a fairly large amount of time to simply track the chart to find the best movement. And I think I've done it well. As we can see, the price is declining, but don't forget that the market is unpredictable. Well, the trade is completed and I get $276 profit. An important condition for working on a chart with a minute time frame is the use of a minimum number of tools for market analysis. A large number of indicators can distract, confuse the trader, and not allow him to react quickly to a change in the market situation. If you spend a lot of time analyzing the readings of an indicator, you can simply miss a profitable entry into the trade. To trade on a minute chart, it is enough to set no more than two indicators. One of them can be used to find the entry point, and the second to filter the signals of the first one. An important point when trading on M1 is the psychological stability of the trader. The price on such a chart constantly fluctuates, and the market often presents unexpected surprises. Keeping in mind all the moments, I open a downtrade. As you can see, the decline continues, and it is quite possible that we are not seeing a correction but a trend reversal. I assume so because I have not noticed the prerequisites for stopping the price reduction yet. The Williams indicator also confirms my prediction. Its line continues to decline, which, as you know, is a signal of a possible continuation of the decline in price. And again, we can only wait for the expiration to be completed since we cannot influence the trade in any way. By the way, the undoubted advantage of binary option trading is the absence of a spread, and thanks to this, we can make a good profit on any time frame, even a 5-second one. And my trade is over and another $276 go to my pocket. When trading, one should take into account the fact that M1 time frame is practically not different from any other time frame. All techniques of technical and graphical analysis work here in the same way. Resistance and support levels are triggered. The only difference is that the number of false signals on such a chart is much higher than on others. The reason for this is the market noise arising from a larger number of automatic trades. trading with the help of Autobots, economic news and other events. There are various strategies that are used when trading on a 1-minute time frame. They are versatile and suitable for working with any currency pair. But for now, I will continue trading and open a downtrade. Despite the slowdown of the decline in the price, the Williams indicator line, being in an oversold zone, is still trying to deviate downwards. I regard this movement as a sign of a possible price reduction. And while the trade is going on, I can tell you about the simplest and the most frequently used strategies on M1. And so, the breakdown of the range. It is better to use this technique at a time when the market volatility decreases slightly and the price begins to move in a narrower channel. To build such a price channel, you can use special indicators or ordinary Bollinger Bands. The signal to open an order will be a breakdown of one of the corridor boundaries. But back to the chart, the movement has almost stopped. Yes, another trade brought me a profit of $276. Everything is going well and we can continue. As you can see, the decline has stopped while the price remains almost in the same place, moving within only 2 or 3 positions, which is clearly not enough to make a decision. At the same time, there are also no signals from the Williams indicator. In addition, during to the completion of this trade, the payout percentage changed and decreased to 90%, which means that our possible profit will also be lower than this. We do not want this, so I decided to change the currency pair and switch the chart to the Australian dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Here the price movement is more active and I can only read the signals from our indicators. As you can see, the quotes after reaching the lower limit of the downtrend indicator made a rebound, after which the price correction began upwards. But I opened a downtrade. Everything's as usual for 1 minute with $300 in. And that's why I made this decision. As I have already said, there was a correction of the downtrend on the chart, and the price was moving up. But at the same time, the Williams indicator line was in a horizontal position. This gave me the same signal about a possible price decline. Now, we will wait for how it will end, and while the trade's going on, I will tell you about another strategy on a 1-minute time frame. The intersection of the movings. In the classical method, 2 average moving lines are added to the chart, the period one of which is 21 and the other is 15. Closed prices are used for calculations. The intersection of these curves will be a signal to enter a trade. At the same time, you should open a trade only if the intersection occurred near the resistance or support level. And my trade ends. There it is, I get another $276 as a profit. We can continue, and I would like to know the opinion of some experts who believe that the minute time frame is not suitable for novice traders. They attribute this to market noise, a large number of false signals, and a strong emotional load. Therefore, if you do not have enough trading experience yet, and you want to test your strength, I recommend that you practice first on a demo account and only then switch to your real deposit. On a demo account, you can try the most incredible strategies without fear of losing your money. But still, I would advise you trading on this account to train and master those strategies that you can use in trading with your real money. What else can I say about the minute time frame? It's great for scalping. This method of trading allows you to quickly increase the deposit, unlike medium-term and long-term trades. In the meantime, I'm opening an up trade. I made this decision because despite the decline in price that occurred, the Williams indicator line deviates from its upward movement quite slightly, which indicates that there is still a strong factor to the price increase, and accordingly, it was a similar signal for me. And what we see is that the existing price rebound has been fully compensated and the price is above the opening level of the trade. The line of the Williams indicator continues its growth, thereby continuing to give a signal about the growth of price, but at the same time, the price movement has almost stopped. There are only small and very smooth fluctuations, down then up, and how this trade will end is not clear yet. The movement stops again, and I get another $276 profit. On this not easiest trade, our trading session is over, and let's have a look at the results. Well folks, today within 9 minutes I made 5 successful trades and earned $1,380. Good job, especially taking into account that the maximum payout was 92%. Once again, we have covered the signals that indicators may give, as well as how to read them and how to deal with them. We have also dipped into some simple strategies that can be used on a 1-minute time frame. And now it's up to you to learn how to make use of them. Please remember to practice using them in a demo account before proceeding to independent trading on your actual account. And then again, it is essential that you carefully assess the current market situation before entering a trade. By and large, I recommend you to use indicators whose signals you can read, for this helps to reduce the risk and make profit in the long term. I would like to encourage you guys to keep trading binary options because, as we can see, the analysis techniques are super simple here. And before we say goodbye, in the description below this video, you will find a link to my Telegram channel, where you can ask me any questions you have. You will also find a link to my private Telegram channel, where I share my daily trading signals. And it gets better. If you direct message me on my private Telegram channel, you will receive a personal link to the PocketOption registration, which will give you a whopping 50% bonus to your deposit for free. Now, dear friends, this is a pretty nice offer. And I do hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for being with me all this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please like it, subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so you don't miss a thing. Well, that's about all for today. Good luck on the market. Take care, folks, and see you soon in the next video.